Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix iMessage contact name not showing on iPhone in iOS 16. So let's start the video. First, go to settings menu on your iPhone. Now click on your iCloud ID at the top of the page. On the iCloud page, click on iCloud. Here click on show alls. Now turn off contacts and then tap delete from my iPhone. Now wait for a while, then turn it back on. So friends, if this method doesn't work, then try the next method. Method 2 is turn on short name and prefer nicknames. For that, open settings menu on your device. Scroll down to find contacts and tap on it. Now tap on short name. Here, turn on short name and prefer nicknames. That's it.